So, if you believe the new data, iPhone SE2 will get a single-chip Apple A11 system and 3 GB of RAM, and the display diagonal will increase from 4 to 4.2 inches. Users will be offered versions with 32 or 128 GB of flash memory. The main camera will be single. At the same time, the prices for the new iPhone SE are called, as if in the end it was not called, $249 and $299 versions with 32 or 128 GB on the drive. This is $100 and $150 cheaper than they once asked for the original iPhone SE. And this is one oddity, although Apple recently lowered the prices of new iPhones in some countries in response to low sales, so the possibility of such adjustments in the pricing policy of the Cupertino giant cannot be ruled out. After Apple quite unexpectedly arranged 3 lightning sales of the iPhone SE at a significantly reduced price, rumors about the release of this year's successor to the popular compact model of the Apple smartphone, introduced almost 3 years ago, flared up online. The source published a fresh batch of new information about the characteristics of the potential iPhone SE2. The source speaks about the lack of support for Face ID face recognition system, which contradicts the initial rumors about the screen with bangs and the absence of the home button with the fingerprint sensor Touch ID. So this point still needs to be clarified.